everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare bulletproof coffee with simple ingredients. This coffee has a high amount of healthy, well-sourced saturated fat and improve metabolism. So let's get into the video. For making this, we need a cup of freshly brewed hot coffee, butter, cocoa powder and few drops of virgin coconut oil. Into an empty cup, add some cocoa powder, butter and few drops of coconut oil. Now it's time to add freshly prepared hot coffee. Use mixie or blender to mix well. If you want, you can put it in refrigerator and then you can have it. Coming to skincare, coffee powder scrub is super simple to make. It is great for exfoliating your skin and removing dead skin cells. Mix coffee powder into coconut oil and gently scrub your skin. Leave it for 15 minutes and wash it.